In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset every setting in Affinity 3. Now, the first thing you have to do is you actually want to close down Affinity. So close it down like this. And then the second thing you have to do is you just have to basically find it inside your program. So here, I'm going to search for Affinity. There we go. And then depending on if you're on Mac OS or Windows, you're going to have to press a different key combo. So for Mac OS, you want to hold down Command, Option, and Control. And then when you hold that down, just click on the app to open up and wait for a specific box, which I'm going to show you in a second. But if you're on Windows, just hold down your Control key, click on the app, it's going to start opening up, and then you'll see this clear user data over here. So again, for Mac OS, hold down Command, Option, and Control, and for Windows, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. When you can see this clear user data, this is where you can basically reset everything to factory settings. You can just select all here and clear, or you could deselect all and just select specific things over here. And then of course, these are going to be reset to factory settings whenever you click on clear down here at the bottom right. So just like that, you can basically factory reset everything and you'll be good to go and good to have a fresh start without having to actually reinstall everything. After that, press clear, and then basically it will just open up Affinity fresh. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.